Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get audio from a specific application on OBS. And this is somewhat easy. There's a new option in here that allows you to go ahead and capture it. So you don't have to use just desktop audio. So I'm just going to go ahead and maybe try something out. Maybe I just want to get this from a web browser or something like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. So let's go to this right here, go to the plus icon, and then let's go to application, audio capture beta. Then we can go to create new. Let's do YouTube audio, something like that, or Brave web browser. That's what I'm using over here on my right. Let's go to OK. Now it says choose the window. All right, so I got a bunch of stuff up right now, and let's see. I want to go to Brave. I have this video playing, Kavinsky Night Call. I can't remember the movie. I think it's called Drive with Ryan Gosling. Such a good one. So we can select this and go to OK. All right, now I can play this in the background, see if this audio goes up and down for Brave. So you can see I have it opened up over here. So great movie. I recommend that. Watch it. Drive with Ryan Gosling. Then we can play it. Hopefully I won't get copyrighted over here. And you can see it is going up and down right here. So I have my desktop audio muted. But it's also going to play through the desktop. So you can choose if you want to do that. But with this one, it's just specifically choosing the Brave web browser to play that. So maybe you have like, what's the thing on here called? Apple Music, Spotify, or something like that. So maybe you have just Spotify you want to go ahead and just play in the background. Well, you can come to here and you can just choose Spotify. Well, I got Discord. Maybe I want to get my Discord chat in here specifically. And then I can play things on my desktop audio. I have my desktop audio muted right here. But you have some options in terms of what you want to go ahead and just specifically select. You can do a web browser, you can do Windows Media Player or whatever. And I gotta silence my phone here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.